Hey lovelies, I just got back from work and find my order just at my doorstep. And guess what? I ordered a mattress, a bed frame, and a Temi Space Saver from Taylor on Instagram. So when I got back from work, I was really tired, but the fact that my order had arrived, I had to just start the setup. And guess what? It wasn't funny. I thought it was just tearing nylons and all that. And when I saw that the work was bigger than me, I had to take off my wig so I could see properly. So I did the first setup and it didn't come out the way I expected it. I had to do another setup. And this is the Temi Space Saver. Don't worry, you'll soon find out why it's called a Space Saver. So it comes looking like this, and you just think it's just a cupboard or something. But then, just watch and see. This is why it's called a Temi Space Saver, because you can collapse it. It has a chair and it has a table and it has double cabinets for you to keep and store things. So I decided to use a new bedspread from H&M Beddings, and this is what my room looks like now. What do you think of the upgrade, guys?